to present a poem titled My Mother is My Strength. An angel was dropped by God. An angel was dropped by God and was named Mother. And was named Mother. She is so sweet. She is so dear. She is so sweet. She is so dear. She is so calm and is so near. She is so calm and is so near. To my heart and my soul, to my heart and my soul, that her touch make me cheer, that her touch make me cheer. That mother is so dear, that mother is so dear. I share my joy and my sorrows, I share my joy and my sorrows. She knows me so thorough, she knows me so thorough. That her touch make me confident, that her touch make me confident to control the world and hands to know that mother is so dear. To control the world and hands to know that mother is so dear. Oh God, thanks for sending a mother to bless every child and to cradle to know that mother is so dear. And to cradle to know that mother is so dear. Thank you.